gunting. Salah. Batu kertas gunting. Batu kertas gunting. Batu kertas gunting. Batu kertas gunting. Batu kertas gunting.
Hayley, pull my finger. Oh, pardon me. That was so bad, wasn't it?
Mary!
You're stuck in here with me now.
Dad, guess my fart.
Huh?
Guess my fart.
Guess your fart.
Yeah, guess it.
What? Go outside and do.
Well, guys, I'm gonna fart. You ready?
Unfortunately, we can't be best friends if you don't think farts are the funniest fucking thing ever. Like, if we're not bouncing off each other's literal fucking farts, I don't want it. I don't want it. For example, oh, see, me and my bestie would be fucking cackling. Oh, that was almost a poo. That was almost not funny anymore.
I think I'd like a gooey fart, Alexa.
Here comes a gooey fart. Try asking me for a very uncomfortable fart. Or so random.
No. Hold the bottom.
What about this one?
A pessoa,
Ó, cigarro, caiu.
a pessoa não.
Pardon me. That sounded like sick. We've got gastric problems.
Got it. I'm so fucking like full of air, bro.
We just entered to a different, a way different level in my house. We can sugarcoat it. We can. We can say it was a mistake. We can say it was an error. It was a fart.
Here's a fart coming up, especially for you. There you go. All the best. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Michelle Finney, creator of Fart in a Cup. I farted in a cup and I liked it.
Oh, good deal. A romantic night in a Wienermobile. What? Sorry.
Right. And it coincides with the first 3 days of Lollapalooza, so.
Sorry.
I don't know. Kelly, what's going on
Let's
the
take
road?
Kelly, take it away. What's going on the roads? We got problems. We got problems.
You definitely have problems just as bad as the Palmetto Expressway problems right now on the 826 southbound. We are dealing with a
Christmas has been just wonderful, Grandma. Just wonderful.
Oh, good. I'm glad you had a good time.
Don't want to step on the hose here. Sorry.
Oh, come on, man. Grow up.
Guess my fart.
So I sent the photos to my email address.
Oh.
Does this cup smell sour? Does this cup smell sour?
It smells bad. Did you trick me?
Is that it?
That's it.
Go.
You nasty. Dude.
Where's yours?
Oh.
Wait, was that you?
Tuh, cantik banget. Tunggu, bermusik ya.
TikTok, what is it? TikTok.
Babe, menawad aplikasi Roblox mo,